All right, check this out. So these pistons right here, they were in the cylinder, and I took them out. See, using my trusty air hose here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And need a thin piece of metal also to cover the second one, because once one pops out, the other one doesn't have any more pressure, so you got to put it kind of back in and then cover it back up. Anyway, let's just get onto it. So here's what we're going to do. Grab the caliper with the pistons in it already, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we got the caliper now with pistons in it, as you can see, and we'll set that to the side. And make sure that when you're doing this, you face these things down, right, with a rag, because when they come out with some pressure, and you'll hear it too. So make sure these are facing down, or you will have pistons flying around in your garage, and that's not cool. Unless you think that's cool, then you could do that, but I didn't condone that. Basically, a lot of people take their brake calipers apart first, and then they try this and they put it back together. So only take the hose off the banjo bolt right here first. And leave all the rest of the connectors on, because they will plug up the holes, right? We're going to need air in here, and then it's going to push these out. So here we go. You ready? By the way, my air compressor is set at 60 psi. That's all you pretty much need in order to get them out. So let's give this a try. Hopefully it works as good as the last one did. So throw it in here, and of course it didn't. See, there went one. That's how you do that. That one popped out. So what we're going to do now, since this one won't come out any longer, is we are going to put this one back in. Just get it started. Okay, I got that one started back in. Now what you want to do is you want to cover this one up so that it can't come out past here. Okay, once we did that, now we can do this process again with leaving that on there, and then the other one should shoot out. Boom! There went the other one. And now this one's back up to the top, and then we just take it out with your fingers. Boom! 2 pistons out of your caliper, and now you can unhook the rest of it as you see fit. I'm going to rebuild this one, so we'll take all of the rest of the fittings off, and then we'll put new ones on.